G'day, so we're up at our Omeo site. I'm taking over from Les today, unfortunately for some people who enjoy his comments. So since Christmas, the boys are really cranked into their work here. We've got all our RAB board on with the eco-ply. Half of our joinery's in, the rest is coming later this week, our aluminium joinery. The first and second floor roof membranes all finished, and the top floor we've got 42 solar panels, I think, have gone up there. So in terms of inside the building, we've had our two sets of steel stairs go in. They get later clad in a American white oak. We've pretty much got the whole inside laid out. There's been some changes from the client, which we've been able to work in. A couple of walls moved and things like that, that you sort of, once you get that envelope, then that quite often happens. You can see the size of the room and clients want to move it. But it's all trucking ahead. We've got our rondo guys in next week, and then our electricians and plumbers have been ripping into it. So once the rondo's up, they'll start to run the rest of their wiring and piping. We'll have the building closed in, and our rock coat guys are starting in a couple of weeks. So it's been great on this site to have our clients so involved in the build around most days, and they've got their plants going in up the back into the planter box we did before Christmas. Leo's got his irrigation working, so it's going to be quite good to see the plants mature as the house gets finished, and we're on track at the moment, so it's going good.